Here is the BJ's wiring issue where we need to connect the VFD to the dehumidification output. As you can see, the Danfoss controller, typically the last set of wire leads, it's usually terminal, I believe 7, is where we have for our dehumidification. In this case, we're bringing in on the white, this is your 24 volt input. Okay, these are a set of open contacts. This right now is only going to the dehumidification board. Granted, this bundle's been tore apart. However, if you look, you'll see, and typically this little red connector, one that has not been modified, would be with this connector here. Typically they're wire nutted together. This comes from the factory, and it will typically be tucked up in this general area here. Okay. This wire needs to be connected with the other pink and black wire, which you'll see has a pink and black stripe, pink and black stripe. This one here is solid pink. So these two, actually all three of these need to be connected. The one wire here is obviously the 24 volt out. It'll send 24 volt input to our reheat board as well as our VFD board. Thank you. Bye.